Alright, today is 7/4/2024. It's about 1:49 p.m. in the afternoon. We're on the left slope of Joann, Murphy, Bruce, home. We're going to be replacing this one wind damaged shingle right here. As you can see, there's widespread wind damage over this whole entire roof. I mean, front and back, 30 something on the front, 17, probably 15, 16 on the rear. I think there's a couple on the left slope as well. So it's widespread on every direction. As you can see, the shingle is in poor condition, has a lot of granular loss. But like as you can see, this one wind damaged shingle right here is creased. None of the other shingles are creased, all sealed down. So we will be removing this one shingle and replacing it to check the pliability of this roof. But as I can already tell, the shingle is in poor condition. Just from first looks, I would say it's definitely unrepairable, as it is pretty shot out. There's a lot of wind damage up here, widespread. There's already been wind damage paid for up here. I've talked with the adjuster, tried to get him back out here for a re-inspect. Currently, he is saying there is not enough damage for a re-inspect, which kind of shocks me, as there is literally widespread wind damage over this whole entire roof. It's not repairable as well, but here we'll be doing a video for Allstate to show that. So we'll get started. Took out those 4 nails. It's still locked in. I'll have to take the nails out from the above shingle as well. Seems to be another nail. Alright, as you can already see, we got the shingle in. The shingle does not touch the other shingle. It's a little bit longer, just a hair longer as you can see there, by probably like a 1/4 inch. So the shingle's really not lining up with the current shingles that are on the roof as well. So you can see this on the edge of the shingle, it's about a 1/4 inch longer. 1/4 inch on this one too. So the shingle's exposure looks to be a little bit longer, which is gonna construe the sealant lines on there as well. And to hammer these back in, we do have the roof snake, but take into mind you're hammering this whole flat piece of metal as hard as you can back into the shingle. So it's impacting all the granulars around there. So it's creating a whole new kind of damage, a whole different kind of damage by using this tool. But this is what State Farm asked for, or excuse me, Allstate asked for. So this is what we will be using. As you can see right here, even the roof snake has just created a tear and fraying on the edge of the shingle. And even though you use a roof snake, think about it, the nail's up in here about a 1/4 inch, so there's no way you can hammer the nail all the way down in here. We hammered this as hard as we could, got the nail as far as we can, and the shingle still lifted up from the nail. So you will have to give it a few more taps to get it banged in. See, trying to not lift the shingle up as high as possible. I know Allstate doesn't want it up past 45 degrees. That's not even 45 degrees right there, and you can't hit, see how you can't even see the nail? I mean, you have to lift it up past to be able to hammer in there. So when you lift it up barely to try to, at 45 degrees, you're trying to hammer forward, up in the same at time, which doesn't work, and you're gonna hit shingles just like that right here. So this is already a failed repair, but we will continue reinstalling for Allstate's purpose. They want to see the whole repair done. You can, the exuberant amounts of granulars that are coming off is crazy. Can't even read any of the writing on the roof anymore. So as you can see, the shingle's been replaced. You can see none of the writing is even legible anymore. It's all fallen off. You can see right here the exuberant amounts of granulars that have come off this roof. So expedited life has come off this roof. We have damage here, we have a crease here, starting to crease there, creasing right here, creasing right there. Frayed the shingle on the edge, tore it, creasing right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shingles that have been affected from this right here. So this is a failed repair, as it has created creasing, tearing of the surrounding shingles. Severe granular loss from doing a repair, expedited life, which is not normal. It's a failed repair.